Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply accumulation strategy in finding a 1000x meme coin. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. I remember mentioning how risky meme coins can be in our previous video, but they are highly profitable. So don't forget to trade with caution. Let's get into it, people. Majority of meme coins go through three phases. We have the pump phase where there is a huge increase in price. That is where there are too many buyers and less sellers. We also have the dump phase, which is characterized by pure selling without willing buyers. And then the third phase, which is the accumulation stage, is characterized by dumping with willing buyers. But the buyers don't want to buy high, they want to buy at the price people are selling. So note that a coin might not go through an accumulation stage if people are not interested in it. That means for a meme token to go through an accumulation stage, it has to have, a good community. It has to be backed by certain fundamentals. So guys, that's why I said majority of meme coins, not all meme coins, go through these phases. So guys, to use this strategy, the first thing you need to do is head to Dex Screener and search for coins that have passed their pumping phase, and you can only know that by checking the charts. There is a video on how to use Dex Screener in our YouTube channel, just in case you don't know how to utilize it. So once you head to Dex Screener, I'll be using the website, but you could use the app if that's what you have. So let's head to Dex Screener. You start searching for tokens that you feel are in accumulation stage. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a meme token called Peppers. This is it, which is on Solana chain. This is Peppers with a market cap of $57,000 and a liquidity of $26,000, which is massive for a meme coin that is just 2 months old. So let's scroll down and click on charts. Let's click on chart, guys. Let's click on charts. So this is Peppers charts. As you can see, it's on the 4 hours time frame because it's just 2 months old. But if the token you're analyzing is older than 3 months, you use the bigger time frame, like the daily, weekly, or monthly time frames. But for tokens that are not up to 3 months, you use smaller time frames. Okay, guys. So from the chart, guys, you could see. Okay, let me zoom out the chart. So, guys, from the charts, you could see a long green candle, which indicates a pump. Scrolling to the right, you could see a long red candle, which indicates that there is a massive dump. As you can see, there are no green candles, not even small green candles, which means this is a massive dump. So it's risky to ape at this point as there are no buyers, just sellers. Cool. I'm sure you could see the sideways movement. Some tiny red and green candles, which means there are willing buyers. This is how an accumulation stage looks on a chart, guys. This is the perfect time for you to ape, guys, so that you'll be there when the next pump happens. Okay, guys. So let's scroll to the right again. I'm sure you could see a long green candle which depicts a pump immediately after this sideways movement. So after the pump, I'm sure you can see the chart dumping and heading to another accumulation phase. So guys, this is it on accumulation strategy. Okay, the three phases are more like the life cycle of every good meme token out there. From this token's chart, you saw that the coin pumped, dumped, and entered accumulation phase. Lastly, it then pumped again immediately after the accumulation stage, and it's currently heading to another accumulation phase. Guys, you could see this sideways movement, right? Guys, understand that virtually all good meme coins go through these phases. I remember there was a time WikiCat dipped to $40,000, and there was so much chaos then on Twitter. People kept thinking it has rocked. But then, guys, WikiCat later on rose from $40,000 to 23 million market cap. Now do the math yourself and count the number of X's. This brings us to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.